Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another SSRF lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's an SSRF with filter bypass via open redirection vulnerability. So stock check features. And here's the URL we're trying to reach, the internal one. And we need to delete the user Carlos. So we need to find an open redirect affecting the application and then chain the two together. Sweet. All right, let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. If you like these videos, how I can make them better. Whatever's on your mind. All right, come on. Let's go. There we are. So we know it's in the stock check feature, but we need to find there's a my account. We need to find an open redirect before we can do anything. What's next product? Ooh, that looks good. I'm looking in the bottom left, and do you see how there's a path argument? Let's inspect that. Path equals this. Show. Let's click it. Make sure burp is going. It is. And proxy. Get this path, send a repeater. What if we did it right here? So let's get this URL, copy, and go to here and pasted that as the path. That should be fine. That does it. Let's follow the redirection. See how we did redirect to that. And we need to delete Carlos. But we're not going to. We need. What do we need? We want the server to open redirect there. So what we need is check stock and proxy. Where's that check stock I just did? This one. Send to repeater. So here I want copy. No. I want the cancel. Where's the... Not that one. Forgot to clear it between the last. So what was our... This one. Send to repeater. And let's go here, copy this. Paste that here. Copy URL. And go here and paste that. Boom. Control U. And send that. Invalid URL. What is the problem? If it went, so what if we removed, product, next product. What if we removed like all of this. And send that. Boom, there we go. We've got the URL we need. This one, I am going to do a request. Well, no, because we have it here. So in the script, what I'm going to do is go to get this URL. No, because this URL is static. Sorry. Because that URL is static, I can jump right to this URL. All right, so we're going to do basically the same thing we did in the last script. Let's name a new SSRF filter bypass via open redirection. Vim SSRF filter with, or is it via direction? And this, we're going to copy all of this, paste that. The URL is going to be our redirect URL, which is this. Let's get it from a repeater. Product stock. That's the post. So our URL is gonna be product stock. Copy. That's not gonna change. Boom. But this is, except for we want it to be this. Copy. And we need the whole thing though. So let's copy from here to there. Okay, so that's the delete URL that's going in here. It's already URL encoded except for this part, which we need to URL encode. Let's do this. Just so we get it, make sure I get it right. I'm gonna Control A, V, and decode is URL. So I'm gonna decode everything. I'm gonna copy this and go back here and paste it. And then DT double quote. There we go. And this should automatically URL encode it. So we don't have to worry about doing that ourselves. We're going to post to this URL. Man, I think it's done. Do I want to do any better logging? I can do this, log.info. And I'm going to put SSRF payload as delete URL. Yeah. Oh, well, let's just send this and see. Oh, I need to Python SSRF filter bypass via open redirection. I'm going to copy this, put it in double quotes, send it. I didn't do an F there. That's lame. But we did solve it. Woohoo! Let's get the banner. Boom. All right. So what we did was we saw that this link here has a path argument. You can see in the bottom of the screen that path equals product $product ID equals 3. So we tested that to see if we could get repeater, if we could use that to get redirection. And I believe we did it here, but I can't show you. Or maybe we have another one. Yeah, right here. So we did the open redirection there, and we redirected it to an internal site, the admin site. We used that open redirection and the SSRF so that the SSRF requested this, which redirected to local, and that got us the contents of the local because we weren't allowed to go there directly, so we had to use the redirect. And that is reflected here. So we have the delete URL with the open redirect to the page that we want to execute the SSRF on. And then we request the product stock with that in its payload. It executes, goes to the next product, which redirects it to the delete URL. So, open redirection to execute SSRF. Very cool. All right, well, I hope this was useful, informative, all that other stuff. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.